This is a fireplace that Home Depot was selling a few years ago, and my mom purchased it, but found it wasn't working anymore. It wasn't really feeling like she needed to keep this, so she gave it to me to try to fix and repair and see if I could flip it on Facebook Marketplace. The fireplace was pretty dirty, lots of dust, so I was able to dismantle the inside of the fireplace, separate that, and as you can see here on the wood cabinet, there's a water ring and a few nicks and dings here and there and some repairs that need to be made, but nothing major. And I found out when I opened it up that this little piece of wire here was disconnected and then it needed new light bulbs. And once I changed those out, it worked fine. So I went ahead and cleaned out all the inside, got all the dust out, and then I was able to take off the frame and work on the inside of the fireplace. I used a toothbrush and a bottle scrubber to be able to get into the nooks and crannies of the fireplace and give it a good clean. Then I took my detail sander and gave the cabinet a good sand. And then I was able to paint it using Fusion Silk All-in-One paint in the color Sequoia. I think that this orange red color really gives a richness and beauty to this fireplace. It also has a primer and a built-in top coat, so it makes this job just really easy, and it leaves such a buttery, beautiful finish. I took off the wheels, added on some brass legs, and here it is. I think it turned out really well. It just looks elegant. There's something comfy and cozy about sitting in front of a fireplace, whether it's electric or not. And these flames actually look real, and it's just beautiful. And it's ready to be used and enjoyed in someone's home. And that always makes me happy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Very simple, but just a beautiful outcome. Thank you.